Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically use the chroma key button, which is right here. So I'm just going to select a video that is a green screen, and then actually let me just delete that. I'm just going to select cutout, and I'm just going to select chroma key, select color picker, and select the green part of the video and adjust the strength. And you can also add in the shadow, but I'm not going to do that. Go to basic, and I'm just going to add in like a background to it. So you can choose any background you want for this, of course. Maybe pick one that's like maybe something like this. And you can also adjust the video up here. If you want to like make it smaller, you can like move it around too. But that's basically like how you can use the chroma key button on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!